all the engineering graduates from any stream. So obviously electrical and engineering students are also no different, right? So you can go for MBA, right? You can pursue your MBA, or if you have any corporate job, then ultimately what you can do, you can earn experience from the job at least for a couple of years, then you can pursue executive MBAs from the renowned Institute of India or for abroad. So this is one of, these are the few fields, right, you can join after your undergrads. Okay, so yes, the fields are immense. There are a lot of opportunities because electronics is the future, right? You see everywhere, you know, there's a war, that is what we call the war, like for initially it was fought on the battlefield, but right now this fought on the, you know, technically, right? So we all know like electronics warfare, because we have this huge electronics equipment which helps any army, navy and air force in any battle. So this is what, you're right, you must to have a good knowledge of electronics, because you see, if you know, especially consider an aircraft, this is full of electronics, full of sensors. So the one must know the very fundamental things regarding electronics and also electricals, right? So this is very important for any engineering graduate, especially electronics and electrical. You must to know all the basics. You need to see the future, you know, right? And by seeing the future, you must prepare yourself for the difficult phase of your life, obviously, right? I'm not saying that all of you will get placed in the campus drive, right? But yes, definitely you need to, and a few of them definitely they don't want to pursue any career in the corporate life, right? They want to go to R&D or for the higher studies or for the civil exam, right? Civil entrance exam. So definitely, obviously, what I feel is that you need to make a career out of your passion. It will give you satisfaction in your life. Okay, you see, if you have any seniors, you can have a chat with them, you can have a talk with them, ask about their, you know, job satisfaction, and obviously that column actually always remains nil, a vacant, you know, always there is a vacancy, there is a void. You know why? Because when a student join engineering, their dreams were actually different, but when they pass out, it becomes different. So obviously, you know, corporate life, it has a different taste altogether. So ultimately, if you combine everything, the final result results in the what? The final scenario comes out to be not happy, because you are not following your passion. So obviously you must follow your passion first. It will give you immense happiness, and ultimately it will give you a lot of success as well. Okay, and you can refer this Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology MeitY website. Why I'm telling you this? Because this it gives a lots of funding in the lot of areas. You can see I have highlighted everything, right? New generation networks and communication technologies, 5G and beyond, broadband wireless technologies. You know, this technology, this field, machine to machine communication and strategic electronics with application in both civil and defense domains, and innovative backhaul communication technologies. These are a huge area, okay, where Government of India likes to fund, okay, but obviously your thinking, your idea has to be unique. Okay, we have, though we are in a bad shape, but still we can do a lot, we can achieve a lot by implementing proper knowledge in the proper domain, and that in the proper time. Okay, so you can visit this Government of India MeitY website, and there are guidelines that are given. You can go through it, you can follow the proper format, and you can apply for it. If your project gets selected, a lot of funding will be given to you, and you need to complete the project in within the prescribed deadline. Okay, so this is what I'd like to tell you, that this is a very difficult time, very difficult scenario for all of us. We need to fight together, we need to defeat this COVID-19, and then only India can come out as with flying colors. So definitely, if you don't have any emergency business, like, please stay at home, keep yourself safe, your family members safe. So obviously I do believe India can win, India can defend this COVID-19. Okay, And though the time is very difficult for all of us, especially for the students, so I request all of you, don't get depressed, don't get frustrated, don't let any negative thoughts conquer you. you know get yourself engaged, read some novels, watch some good inspiring movies, right? And also, if possible, try to learn something from online platform. We have NPTEL, we have Swayam, and we have this all various kind of digital platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Unacademy. You have everything. You can access to everything with the help of a mobile phone or smartphone. You have it, right? So without wasting your time, keep yourself motivated, keep studying, keep growing, and definitely India will win against this battle. Thank you very much, Vision Vijtek, once again for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Wish you all the best.